Hello, space and science enthusiasts. Today, we will step into the fourth part of our History of Astronomy series, the Age of Enlightenment and Observation. In this episode, we will explore many exciting events, starting from Isaac Newton's revolutionary discoveries to the miraculous development of telescopes. If you're ready, let's start this fascinating journey. Isaac Newton, the great transformation of astronomy, began with the publication of Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica by the English physicist and mathematician Isaac Newton in 1687. Newton provided a physical explanation of Kepler's laws by introducing the universal law of gravitation and the laws of motion. Newton's laws could explain many phenomena, from the movement of planets and tides to the orbits of comets. Newton's work brought a new perspective to science by making astronomy a branch of physics. Newton's laws of motion described how bodies move and the effects of gravity in the universe. For example, the law of inertia says that an object tends to maintain its motion, while the law of action-reaction explains that for every force, there is an equal and opposite force. Newton used the law of gravity to explain the orbits of the planets and the formation of tides. These revolutionary discoveries made a huge impact on the scientific world. Newton's law of universal gravitation has faced some criticism. Some struggled to understand how gravity could act in a vacuum, but Newton persevered in his scientific discoveries, successfully explaining many topics such as the shape of the Earth and the motion of the Moon. Pierre-Simon Laplace, French mathematician Pierre-Simon Laplace took Newton's theory of gravity even further. Laplace mathematically proved the stability of the solar system. He showed that deviations in the orbits of the planets are compensated by oscillating corrections over time. Laplace's scientific investigation of celestial mechanics became one of the cornerstones of astronomy. Laplace's nebular hypothesis also pioneered the introduction of evolutionary thinking into astronomy, suggesting that the planets formed by condensation from the primordial atmosphere of the Sun. Astronomy's entry into the age of observation began with William Herschel. In 1781, Herschel revolutionized the world of astronomy by discovering Uranus. At first, thinking he had discovered a new comet, Herschel realized that this celestial body was indeed a planet. This discovery increased interest in the science of astronomy and led to Herschel receiving a royal salary. Herschel not only discovered Uranus, but also determined that our galaxy was disc-shaped and that the Sun was moving towards the constellation Hercules. Herschel and his sister Caroline made great contributions to the science of astronomy, cataloging many nebulae and star clusters. The 19th century saw great advances in telescope technology. William Herschel's giant telescope enabled him to discover Saturn's moons. Then William Parsons, Earl of Rosse, built larger telescopes and observed the spiral structure of nebulae such as Messier 51 and Messier 99. Deviations in the orbit of Uranus signaled the presence of a new planet. French astronomer Urbain Le Verrier and English astronomer John Couch Adams independently predicted the existence of this planet. Johann Gottfried Galle confirmed these predictions by observing Neptune, and the discovery of Neptune caused a stir in the scientific world. Thank you for joining us on this exciting astronomy journey. These great revolutions in the history of astronomy remind us once again of our passion for science. If you want to see more science and space-related content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. If you liked our video, please share it and let us know what you think in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye.